Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku Charts.com daily analysis for the S&P 500 for Monday, October 15, 2012. Well, a change of trend to the upside today in a candle that's made a higher high and a higher low. Previous day's trading we had a downtrend in place and an indecisive spinning top type candle that was interacting with this swing high area of previous resistance and now is held as support around this 1427 level. Coincides roughly with another previous level down around this 1422 area, and the buyers have come back in strongly today for a large white bodied candle, suggesting that the buyers have taken control, whereas there was a lot of indecision for the previous day's trading. They've taken control and they've shown some very strong commitment to taking this market higher. Having said that, however, the buyers have been unable to close the market above this 1440 level of previous resistance and then support, and this area is now held as resistance for the previous 3 trading days. So that's an important level if we are going to see this market trade to higher levels. Now, in terms of the trend line that I've drawn here, and we've got a couple of trend channels in different time frames here, but this bigger picture trend line in the dark blue in the trend channel, the market has interacted with that line again for the yesterday's or the previous day's trading and today's trading. We saw this capitulation around this area with the market becoming indecisive and a change of trend today and the market bouncing off that area. So it does suggest that there is potential for the market to trade to higher levels. Now, that doesn't mean that the market has changed trend. We actually have had a change of trend in the second time frame with the market making a lower peak and a lower trough. But it does say something about a bigger picture uptrend that the market's been in, and it does suggest that if the market trades down through that level or closes down through that level in a bearish way, that the momentum of that big picture time frame uptrend has been lost, and there is a potential for the market to trade to lower levels. But significantly, we have seen the market bounce off that level. So there is a possibility that we may see a sustained momentum in this time frame to the upside if we do see the market trade up through 1440 in a bullish manner. Now, in terms of the current Fibonacci extension, not a lot there, only a 1 day change of trend to the upside and then the 1 day downtrend, and then today a change of trend to the upside. So we have seen the market interact with the 100% level and trade through there. So this does suggest that we may see the market test up to the 161.8% level at 1447 roughly. That coincides with this area where we see the Kitchensen and Tenkan-sen trading. So there is a strong possibility that we may see the trend continue up to at least that level. In terms of the Fibonacci retracement of this prior downtrend, now the market's trending up. Obviously the 100% level at 1444 roughly is important, and then there's no major levels until the 161.8% level around the 1455 level. In terms of Ichimoku, the market maintains its bullishness in the long-term time frame, and obviously that coincides with what we're seeing in that trend channel and that trend line that I've drawn, the market bouncing off there. So some very strong support for this market. Some time ago I suggested that the market was trading a long way away from the cloud, and here we see that area there, and there was a possibility that if the market continued in a sideways manner that we could see the market interacting with the cloud over here, and that does give us a good base now of support for this market over the next few trading weeks. It'll be interesting to see whether the market can have the upside momentum to bounce off this level. But still, we haven't seen the market trade to the cloud at the moment. The top of the cloud at the moment is just around the 1406 level, but as we trade through the next few days it will come up to meet it very quickly, and there is strong potential for support around those levels. In terms of the other two Ichimoku indicators, however, the market is trading down below them and significantly trading below the Kijun-sen, the pink line here, which tells us something about the trend in the medium-term time frame. It's been some time since the market's been trading down below there, and a bearish breakout down below a few trading periods ago, roughly about a week or so ago, but a lot of indecisive trading since then. The buyers are coming back in. But we have seen the market maintain its position down below the Kijun-sen for the previous 4 trading days, and as I've said, it's been a long time since we've seen that, so there is potential for a bearish market to continue in that medium-term time frame, but obviously very, very strong support down below. So importantly, if you can see the market trade through the 1440 level in a bullish manner and trade up through the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen, which are trading just below there, just above there around the 1450 level, then there is potential for the market to trade to higher levels. So obviously for tomorrow's trading, this 1440 level becomes very important. The buyers have attempted to establish some solid upside momentum, that is a barrier to them, and then the 1450 level. The downside has very strong support down below, however, and there is a good possibility that we will see the market trade higher over at least the next day or so.